Hi, this is Rob from Rob and Ali, sharing with you our passion for all things cruise and travel. Now, this is not a passion, but somebody asked us to do it and I have to pop down to the Laundrette, so I thought I'd do a short video on the Laundrette facilities on board the P&O Pacific Encounter. This is our Laundrette on deck 8. The opening hours are between 7 AM and 10 PM. So I'll wander in here, see what facilities are. Inside each of the laundries, which are accessible from both corridors, so port and starboard side of the ship, there are 4 machines here, 2 washers, 2 dryers. They're operated on a token, which ordinarily you would get from this machine here. This one's not working just at the moment. And down on the other side of the ship, similarly, there are 4 machines, 2 dryers, 2 washers. There are 4 ironing boards with steam irons. The steam irons, this is me, I'm ironing this just at the moment. The steam irons are very good. They all work. I've tried all of these. They all work and they all work quite well. There are 2 laundry sinks and there is a machine for getting your soap powder and laundry powder, sorry, and conditioner, softener, that's the word I'm looking for. Okay, what I would suggest though is if you are planning on doing some laundry, maybe put a few sachets of your own in your suitcase, say buying it, and also so that you have it to hand, because you get this from, you can get this from guest services. So look, here we go. Here's a list. So we are on deck 8 here, deck 5, deck 9. So there are 2 on deck 9, 1 on deck 10, 2 on deck 11 and deck 12. There is no shortage of laundries on this ship, Pacific Encounter. And it looks like there's a television here as well, but it's not on at the moment. That is the laundry facilities on the Pacific Encounter. So that was just a short video on the laundry facilities here. I'll get back to my ironing now. Alison will be waiting for her dress. If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification button to watch all of our other videos. And in the meantime, we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.